kids, my name is Miss Morzaria Devanshi. I am from Saraswati Group of Education. Today, what we are going to do? We all are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 4. आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? हम लोग आज chapter number 4 की exercise solve करने वाले हैं. Right? So I hope you all have understood the chapter in the last session and you are very much thorough with the concepts. राइट आप लोगों ने अच्छे से चैप्टर समझ लिया होगा और आप समझते होंगे कि उस चैप्टर में क्या क्या कॉन्सेप्ट्स है. इसके ऊपर से हम लोग क्या करेंगे? आज हम लोग एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. राइट वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द एक्सरसाइज दैट इज गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. आप लोगों की टेक्स्ट बुक में जो एक्सरसाइज है वो हम लोग सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. राइट सो दैट इज द थिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू टुडे. आई होप यू ऑल आर very much okay with that, right? So shall we begin with that? Shall we? Okay, so kids, as I said, we now are going to solve the exercise. We are going to begin with the first one, right? What we are going to do? We are going to solve the first one that is given in your textbook. आप लोगों की textbook में जो first exercise दी गई है, that is A, take the correct answer, वो हम लोग पहले solve करने वाले हैं, right? We are going to solve that first. Okay? So the people who live near our house are our, जो लोग हमारे घर के पास रहते हैं, वो हमारे क्या होते हैं? Family? No. Friends can be, but what are they? Neighbors. हमारे घर के आसपास जो लोग रहते हैं वो हमारे क्या बन जाएंगे? Neighbors. Then they can become our friends as well, but the main term which we can call them is our neighbors. जो हमारे घर के आसपास जो लोग रहते हैं वो हमारे क्या होंगे? Neighbors होंगे. Right? Then the next one is parks and playgrounds have open dash. Parks और playground में open क्या होता है? Right? Space. Okay, जगह. रूम होते हैं पार्क्स और प्लेग्राउंड में? नहीं. Path, roads, way to go? No. So spaces would be the correct answer. They are huge open space in which we can play. उसके ऊपर छत या रूफ ऐसा कोई होता नहीं. So we can say spaces. Done. We have open spaces in which we can play very easily. Right? Then the next one is dash are where doctors and nurses work. ये कौन सी जगह है जहां पर नर्स और डॉक्टर दोनों काम करते हैं? Right? बैंक, हॉस्पिटल या पोस्ट ऑफिस? Where do doctors and nurses work? बैंक, hospital or post office? The correct answer would be hospital. Right? That is the correct answer. Then dash is not a place of worship. इनमें से ऐसी कौन सी जगह है जहां पर हम प्रे करने नहीं जाते, हम पूजा करने नहीं जाते? Right? Church, we go there. Gurudwara, we also go there. Then the last one is market. We go there but not to worship but to shop. हम shopping करने जाते हैं उधर. Right? So that will be the correct answer. Then the last one is we should dash our neighbors. हमें अपने neighbors के साथ क्या करना चाहिए? Right? उनको respect देनी चाहिए, उनसे fight करनी चाहिए या उनको hate. Hate is very strong word, kids. We are not supposed to be using the word hate frequently, right? When we are not liking something, we can say that we are hating it, but that is very strong word. हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, I don't like this. You cannot say I hate it. Hate is a strong word to use. Which are the words that we are going to use frequently? Thank you, sorry, please, love, care and all these things. Right? So the correct answer will be that we should respect. हमें अपने neighbors को क्या देना है? Respect देनी है. You all know very nicely that what is the meaning of respect? Respect means talking very nicely with everyone. Right? May it be a elder, may it be a also, right? सबके साथ अच्छे से प्यार से बात करने को क्या बोलते हैं? हम उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट दे रहे हैं, वैसा बोल सकते हैं, right? So this is the first question. I hope you all are very much thorough with it now, right? I hope you are checking your answers along with me. आप मेरे साथ अपने answers जो है वो cross tally कर रहे होंगे, right? So let us move on to the next question. Shall we do that? We shall, right? Okay, so kids, as we are done with solving the question A, which is tick the correct answer, now what we are going to do is we are going to solve the B exercise, that is write Y for yes and write N for no. So it is like true or false only. We have to read the statement. If we agree with the statement that yes, the statement is correct, we will try to put a Y because that is for yes. And if we do not agree that this statement is not correct, it is wrong, then we will put a N in that, so that means we are saying no, that is not correct, right? So that is the thing that we are going to do. Okay, so the first one is markets only have shops that sells vegetables, right? Let us understand the statement first. ये लोग कह रहे हैं मार्केट एक ऐसी जगह है जहां पे सिर्फ हमें सब्जियां ही मिलती है. Is that right? No, that is wrong. Market also have shops from which we can buy clothes, from which we can buy spices, fruits, vegetables and whatnot, right? So here we will be putting N, right? Then the next statement that they are telling us is firefighters work in post office. They are telling कि firefighters जो है वो post office में काम करते हैं. Is that true? Think. No, right? Where do they work? They work at fire station. So here also we are going to put a N for no. Then the third one is ATMs are people who help us at bank. वो बोल रहे हैं ATMs जो है वो लोग हैं जो हमें हेल्प करते हैं बैंक पे. Is that true? No, that is not true because ATMs are machine, not people. ATM क्या है? एक मशीन है, इंसान नहीं है, right? So here also will be N. Then the next one is places of worship are places where we can go and pray, right? Places of worship such as church, temple, masjid, mosque and gurudwara and all these things are the places where we can go and pray. Is that true? Yes, that is. So we are going to write Y here, right? Then people go for walking and jogging in parks and playground. लोग walking करने और jogging करने कहाँ जाते हैं? Parks and playgrounds में जाते हैं. Is that true? Yes, that is true. So we are going to put a Y there. So I hope you are pretty much clear with this exercise where we put yes where we thought the statement was true and no where we thought the statement was not true. ये एक्सरसाइज आप सभी को आ गई होगी क्योंकि इसमें हमने स्टेटमेंट्स पहले रीड किए जो हमें सही लग रहे थे उसके पास हमने क्या लिखा Y और जो हमें गलत लग रहे थे उसके बाद जो हमने क्या लिखा no, right? So that is the thing that we have done. Shall we move on to the next exercise? Shall we learn the next one? Yes? Let's move on to that.
Okay, so kids, as we have solved question number A and question B, we now are going to solve the third one, that is C, which is decode, look at the picture and answer the questions, right? We have to look at the picture very carefully and observe it, and then we need to answer the questions that are provided near it, right? हम लोगों को पिक्चर जो दिया गया है वो बहुत ध्यान से देखना है और बाजू में जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं उसके आंसर्स अच्छी तरह से देने हैं, right? So we can look in the picture that there is a slide there is a swing there is a monkey bar there. So all these different things are there in the picture, right? So what is the first question? The first question is, in which place in the neighborhood will you find these things? अपने neighborhood में आप ये सारी चीज़ें कहाँ पे पा सकते हैं, right? Where we can find all these things? We can find it in park as well as in playgrounds, right? We can write parks and playgrounds. We can find these things in parks and playgrounds, right? So the right answer will be parks and playgrounds. Then the next question is, what are these things used for? ये सारी चीज़ें किस चीज़ के लिए यूज़ होती है? These things are used for playing. We can write for playing, right? That would be the correct answer. So with this it is the end of our question C. इसके साथ ही हम लोग question C का क्या होता है, अंत होता है. I hope all of you are able to understand it very nicely and clearly. Now we are going to move forward with D question, right? Shall we move on to that? Yes.
Okay, so kids, now the last question is answer these questions, in which we have to read the questions very carefully and then we need to give the answers for them, right? इस question में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, questions को अच्छी तरह से read करेंगे, समझेंगे और उसके बाद में हम उसके answers जो है वो देंगे, right? So that is the thing that we are going to do. The first question is, name any 5 places in a neighborhood. ऐसी कोई भी 5 जगहों का नाम देना है जो हमारे नेबरहुड में हो सकते हैं या तो एक नेबरहुड में हो सकते हैं, राइट? सो which are the places that can be there? Police station, bank, fire station, market, shops, temple, post office and what not. ये सारी चीजें आप लोग इसमें से कोई भी 5 जो है वो आप लोग लिख सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट द प्लेसेस इन योर नेबरहुड एज वेल. आपके नेबरहुड में कौन सी प्लेसेस है वो भी आप लोग इनमें लिख सकते हैं. So that is the question you all need to answer by your own. This question is the question that आप लोगों को अपने आप में ही सॉल्व करना है, समझना है, right? So I hope you all are very much clear with that. Then the next one is, who takes care of the people in the hospital? हॉस्पिटल में जो लोग होते हैं उनका ध्यान कौन रखता है? The people who are there in the hospital, that means they are sick, they are not well or they have hurted themselves. उनको चोट लगी हो या तो वो बीमार हो, ऐसे लोगों का ध्यान कौन रखता है? Who are the people who are taking care of them? Doctors and nurses, right? Doctors are the ones who are treating them and nurses then are the one who are taking care of them, right? They are taking care, they are taking the medicines on time, they are taking care, they are helping the patient to the most, right? Then the next one is, which place in the neighborhood keeps our belongings? Belongings मतलब हमारी जो सारी चीजें हैं उसको सेफ कौन सी प्लेस रखती है, राइट? उसको सेफ ऐसे तो पुलिस रखते हैं हमारे घर को, हम लोगों को, हमारी बिलोंगिंग्स को, पर ऐसी जगह कौन सी है जहाँ पे हम अपनी वैल्यूएबल चीजें जैसे मनी है, ज्वेलरी है, इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स है, वो सारी चीजें हम कहाँ पे रख सकते हैं और वो सेफ हो सकती है? Close your eyes, think for a second. It is bank, right? In bank we can keep our valuable things. हमारी जो valuable सारी चीजें होती है वो हम कहाँ पे रख सकते हैं? बैंक पे रख सकते हैं और वहां वो क्या हो जाएगी? एकदम सेफ हो जा सकती है. So bank is the place where we can keep our belongings safe. Then the next question is, write any 2 ways in which we can take care of our neighborhood. ऐसी कोई भी 2 चीजें हमें बोलनी है जिससे हम क्या कर सकेंगे? हमारे नेबरहुड का ख्याल रख सकेंगे, राइट? इन विच वी कैन टेक केयर ऑफ अवर नेबरहुड, राइट? So first one is by not defacing anything, right? By not defacing things. Deface मतलब बिगाड़ना, right? अच्छी सी वॉल है, बहुत अच्छे से पेंट की गई है, उस पे हम कलर्स डाल दें, उस पे हम थूके वो सब करें, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are defacing it, which is the thing that we are not supposed to do. If benches are there in the park, trees are there in the park, people are scratching it up और उसमें लिख रहे हैं, तो वो सारी चीजें हमें करनी है, उसे बिगाड़ना है, नाम लिखना, वो सारी चीजें करनी, that is the thing that we are supposed to do? No, that is the thing that we are not supposed to be doing. So by not defacing anything, हमारे neighborhood में जो सारी चीजें हैं उसको बिगाड़ना नहीं है, right? Then the next one is by throwing garbage into the dustbin. Okay, so we have lots of garbage in our house. Where do we throw it? In dustbin, right? In the same way, when we are going out, ऐसे ही जब हम बाहर जाते हैं तब हमारे पास जो कचरा हो तो हम उसे ऐसे ही फेंक देंगे? No, we are not going to throw it as it is, right? We are going to pick it up. We are going to throw it in the proper place, that is garbage bin, dustbin, right? उसमें हमें डालना है, हमें ऐसे ही रोड पे, शॉप के पास, ऐसे कहीं भी डाल देना नहीं है. Please take care of that thing. Please make sure that you are throwing it at a proper place. इसके अलावा और भी कई सारी चीजें हैं, जैसे प्लांट्स का ध्यान रखना, प्लांट्स को पानी देना, नए नए प्लांट्स जो है उसको ग्रो करना, ये सारी चीजें करके आप क्या कर सकते हैं? हमारे नेबरहुड का ध्यान रख सकते हैं, राइट? विद दिस इट इज द एंड ऑफ आवर एक्सरसाइजेस. इसके साथ ही हमारी एक्सरसाइजेस क्या है? खत्म हो गई है. Now we are going to have a quick recap of what we have learned in this chapter. अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं? इस चैप्टर में हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा उसका एक छोटा सा रिकैप जो है वो देने वाले हैं, जिससे क्या होगा? आपको थिंग्स और ज्यादा क्लियरली समझ में आ जाएगी. Okay, so kids, as I said, we are now going to have a quick recap of the things that we have learned. हम लोग जल्दी से ये सारी चीजें समझने वाले हैं जो हमने इस चैप्टर में लर्न की है, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी लर्न वाज व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ नेबरहुड. हमने पहली चीज जो सीखी वो है नेबरहुड का मीनिंग क्या होता है, राइट? नेबरहुड इट इज प्लेसेस अराउंड आवर हाउस. हमारे घर के आस-पास जो भी चीजें हैं वो क्या होगी? जो भी जगह है वो क्या होगी? हमारा नेबरहुड बन जाएगी. Then we learn what is neighbor. The people living near our house will be our neighbors. हमारे घर के पास जो लोग रहते हैं वो लोग क्या बन जाएंगे? हमारे neighbors बन जाएंगे. So that is the thing that you all had to learn. Difference between neighborhood और neighbors. Neighborhood और neighbors में क्या difference है वो पहले आप लोगों को समझना है. Neighborhood में क्या होते हैं? Places, जगह, और neighbors क्या है? लोग, right? So that is the thing that you need to clear in your head, right? So that is the thing I hope all of you are thorough with. In a neighborhood there are so many important places. अलग अलग ऐसी बहुत सारी important places है जिसमें हम उनकी हेल्प दे सकते हैं और हमारा काम जो है वो इजी बना सकते हैं. मार्केट से हम शॉपिंग करके अपने घर की सारी चीजें ले सकते हैं, right? Then parks and playground. We can play there, we can walk there, we can jog there and make ourselves healthy, right? Then banks. Banks are the place where we can keep our belongings safe. And hospitals. Hospitals are the places where we go when we are sick, we are not feeling well. Then schools. School is the place where you go and learn so many new things, right? Police station. Police station is the place where police works and they are the ones who are protecting us and keeping us safe. They are guarding the neighborhood. Then fire station. Fire station is the place where firefighters work. They put out the fire. And the next one is post office. Post office is the place where we can go and send our letters and parcels, right? In exchange of money. And the last places is places of worship, जहाँ हम जाके pray कर सकते हैं. मंदिर, मस्जिद, गुरुद्वारा, चर्च, ये सारी चीजें हैं जहाँ पे हम जाके मन की शांति पा सकते हैं और प्रे भी कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो दीज आर ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आर देयर इन अवर नेबरहुड. एंड द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज हाउ डू वी टेक केयर ऑफ अवर नेबरहुड. हमने यही टॉपिक जो है वो थोड़ी देर पहले देखा. हमें चीज़ों को बिगाड़ना नहीं है, प्लांट्स का ध्यान रखना है और हमें क्या करना है, कचरा जो है वो डस्टबिन में डालना है. ये सारी चीज़ें हम जो करेंगे तो हमारा नेबरहुड क्या रहेगा, क्लीन एंड हेल्दी, राइट? सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट वी हैव लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर वेरी मच क्लियर एंड थरो विद इट. सो किड्स, this was the session of today. Until we are meeting each other next time, what are you going to say? We are going to say